What inspired my career in real estate was the great agents we met in the past. My family has bought and sold in different states within the US. And since I'm a people person, I thought, what a great career path for me. I think I'll flourish in it. So fast forward, here I am. My manager was very supportive from the very beginning. From the very first phone call I made to her, she was super supportive. She's always been a text message away. I felt valued. I felt like I belonged. I felt like I wasn't just another number. That was one of the million things that got me to sign with Barrett Sotheby's International Realty. Sotheby's had a great brand internationally, and the moment I was affiliated to it, a lot of people who otherwise would think that, oh, she's a rookie, and I told them, hey, I have the whole office solidly behind me. And I'll tell you one story. I had one client who went with me just because I was from Barrett Sotheby's International Realty. And guess what? I have closed 3 different properties with this client, and I'm on to my 4th. I'm enjoying my time here. I'm in my 2nd year, and I don't plan to leave Barrett Sotheby's International Realty any moment soon.